I want to record something else. It's not about a record. I want to save some of the statement of what I have done. I feel regret on that day, but today I feel like so happy for that. Nothing that IEX. Uh, I think I started investing. Um, I invested 2022, I guess, in IEX. There, in those times, IEX is it's more hyped in social media or wherever. You can see only IEX, IEX, IEX. What they hype it is like it's a monopoly company, so there are more scope to for growth in this stock. So I thought of I put my initial more I put most of my initial my capital amount in this company. I've been waiting still until this March. Wow, it's totally waste of time. So in recently in March, they bought some new decisions. I think they bought right. They gonna split it. They split their business to. I mean, they're gonna share the business with some others also. No, when I got that information, I sold my entire IEX stocks at loss. That time I felt like so regretting, and from there also the stock got little bit more fall, and again it been came back at that point, but I don't have hope on it. Anyway, we max to max we can ideal our money for 3 years. I wasted my money for 3 years in that IEX stock, and today suddenly whatever they told on that day it become real on today. You can see like 29 percentage of loss. Who can handle it? Thank God I sold all my stocks on that day. um, I feel relief on seeing this. Okay, I don't know why today the market got fall. At the end of market hour I got other news also, like um, there is an trade deal happened between UK and India. With that news, it should bounce back, but it didn't happen. So I'm not sure why these things nowadays market is being market. Actually, I felt like it don't know where to go. Like it's such kind of situation. Market has been trapped, or it fall on such situation. I feel like you can see when the Trump announced um, this tariff games, from that until today, there is no what to say a bullish or any strong momentum happened in stock. I can see feel only some supporting bounce back been happened. Other than that, nothing like one bullish trigger or momentum didn't happen in NFT. Um, I don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, in August 1st, he will come up with some of the announcement for an. I felt like it may be they can't able to make for. Um, they can't do much unnecessary tariffs because see, think logically. World's 25 percentage of GDP um, wealth is with the US, which means uh, 30 trillion. I think so. So those 30 trillions are it's a huge mountain, right? This mountain, or an let's say on a huge building. This building is not built only by US people. There are contributions of other people from other countries. Without them, those people, really it's not possible for us, or if they are putting tariffs, or they are ignoring other people to do business, or uh, any such kind of situation they are being forcefully doing, no? Think about the future. So they won't wish to do business with us. They will find the alternative. What is the alternative we have? The only alternative is the second big economy is China. So all other country will depends over to China, and China is waiting for that. They want a trigger to develop their economy. If things are moving to China, na, it's so easy to be a next US, as a China will be the next US. That's gonna happen. But I think US people are not that so dumb. I'm not sure about Trump. I think he also know those things. He doing his business and political game to make some good tax money from this tariff game. Let's see. And other one more thing also, if they are opposing other country people doing business over their country, or working on their country, means think about, uh, they may be um, balance the workforce with the AI. It's possible, but that's only possible for the process what they are doing for making any product, or their administrations or something also. The final point is like they can produce any product, but to whom they will sell? If they want to keep their economy 30 trillion economy as it is, they have to sell their products and make money to sustain that. So if they want to sell things, now they surely they need to come out of US. And China and India together have, I think, almost half of the world's population. So they need to sell product anyway uh, in Asia only. So practically, this tariff game is not possible. That's what he also know, I guess. So August 1, he will be coming in with a new tariff that should be like neutralizing something like, it should not uh, make bad to his political move, and other that same way it should not crash their economy also. So such the way he will come up, I think so, in August 1. So after that our Nifty will get some of the trigger point, I think so. Based on that, Nifty can pick up. Anyway, it falls for 10%, right? I expect a minimum the 10 percentage. I think it's almost 7 percentage. It's got recovered. Uh, Other one 7 percentage I've been expecting. To totally, let's say it's concluded as 15 percentage. Let's say five, minimum of 5 percentage. So Nifty's all time is 26. 20's in that, so 26. The 10 percentage is 2,600 points. So we don't want that much. Let's cut it down into half, 5%. 5%, I think so, 1,300 point. 1,300 means it's like 3,900 almost. I mean, 1,300 means it's like um, 20, almost 28,000 if you need to move it. At least I would tell this the least case Nifty should touch 28,000 before um, this December, or else think about no, take the Nifty's 5 year chart, or compare from you should compare from 2019, because 2020, we can, if we say 5 years now, it will be from 2020 we had a good fall. We have to measure it from the fall for like Nifty fall 40%, I guess. Yeah, from that we need to start. So it's technically, it's not a good thing to comparing from them. So we can compare from 2019 to 2025. In the 5 years, Nifty, what Nifty made, it's, I guess hardly it is 100%, I guess 100% if we put it on any other things. And if you put on a FD also, the compounding will increase. And or any other bond or something else, you will get that 100% in 5 years only. So why we want to take risk in the stock market? People won't like to invest over in the stock market. So stock market won't mm, engage in this. If people are not funding money into, pumping money into this means, so it won't grow. So probably there are more possibilities, like such kind of possibilities are there. So Nifty need to move on. So I hope it should move, it should target to 28. I don't know, these need to be happen, but we don't know about the world politics. So usually in this July time, we should be happy in the result season. But see, uh, sudden wars happened, unwanted tariffs, such kind of new news are pulled back our happiness. Mm, these things are there. Okay. Let's see some of the stocks. Um, I've been keeping an eye on that, those stocks. I don't know, it will move or what. Let's see. You saw today the Force Motors. What happened for that? It's really. Um, you have to see at morning. The Force Motor went to 14%, 14 percentage. Um, so earlier I have a belief of like slow in invest and wait for time period. But now, as of the current market, I don't believe on such scenarios, because if you see comparing to things, the stocks which are mm, 52 weeks low, and stocks which are 52 weeks high, which has the capacity to make a bull run again, it will be surely the stocks which are above 52 week high. Those have the capacity to make a momentum again and again. So if I used to do swing trading, so for me, more than the stocks whichever in the deep down are not my cup of tea. So I used to, I wish to invest over only in this such kind of stocks which were in above 52 weeks high. And that these kind of stocks, it has the momentum. I feel like I want to wait a moment to invest on this kind of stocks. I found similar such kind of stocks also, like let's say Paytm. You see, Paytm from the last 1 month, it's been getting a good rally. So these are on my radar. And SML, tea stock also. I don't know how long it will rally again and again, because um, it's already been in the rally for 1 month. If you see the 1 month chart, you can see the rally of the stocks. Uh, I don't grab for wait for a good catch or a huge catch. I will go for a small swings. That's all, guys. I think I have shared whatever I need to share today. So let's connect. It's my first live. I don't think nobody came into this. Hope so. Hopefully, coming times, I think I will get good reach. Hoping. Bye.